Okay, so today I wanted to go ahead and gauge how many people out there would like to pick up the newest Samsung Galaxy budget tablet, the Tab A7, which is of course the replacement to the 2019 Tab A 10.1. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Now, I still want to go ahead and keep this video very short and maybe brush over the Galaxy Tab A7 tablet in terms of design and specs. Obviously, if you are in the market for this, chances are you are considering the Tab A 10.1 inch because you know that the price is going to drop on it as soon as the Tab A7 is released. Now, I've noticed quite a few people on Twitter chatting about this, and also in my comment section, I had a subscriber, Gregory Abram, asking if that was something that I was looking into picking up. I honestly was going to pick up one, but just not right away, especially because over the next few weeks, I have quite a few reviews on the pipeline that I'll be pushing out. But as I think about it, it just might be worth picking up because it does come loaded with some new specs that I would really be interested in seeing. For example, the fact that it has facial recognition, the fact that it has 4 speakers now as opposed to 2, a better screen, a better chipset, and so forth. So I just really want to see whether that money is worth it. Also, something to add here is that the design doesn't seem bad at all. Samsung has a way of making its budget tablets not look crazy budget, especially if you want to compare it to something like an Amazon Fire or something. Samsung budget tablets do look pretty nice. Again, the fact that I do see quite a few people chatting about it really is making me want to grab one. So let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see something like that on this channel. If you've been following this channel for a while, then you know that I really like the 2019 Tab A 10.1 based off of how many videos I've made on that tablet. But anyways, if you really would like to see something like that, just let me know. Now, assuming I grab it, I might just go ahead and make as many videos on the A7 as I did on the Tab A 10.1 inch. Also, one thing that's very important here, is there a specific battle that you would like for me to kind of set up here with the A7? Let's say just put the A7 against the 2019 Tab A 10.1, or if I were to do it versus the iPad or the S6 Lite and so forth. Again, just let me know that in the comment section and we can see what we can make happen here. And finally, of course, tell me what you would love to know in regards to this tablet, what you're looking forward in regards to this particular tablet, the A7. And if I make that review, what you would like for me to touch up on, and let me know and we can work that out. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, of course, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you in the comment section so we could get that back and forth going. And I'm also gonna catch you in the next video. And up until then, stay safe out there.